President declared the same personal
Exactly the
properties.
same personal assets. How about
Could
21 and 22?
could we ask what assets were declared?
If I'm allowed to read the personal properties
Yes, you may proceed.
of the Vice President declared in her 2019 and 2020 SALENs, these are the following: a vehicle van, vehicle declared as motorcycles, other personal properties, various items, other personal properties, various items, vehicle car, vehicle pickup, other personal properties.
Okay, and that's the same for both years.
Yes, Your Honor, we can confirm that it's the same for
Okay.
2019 and 2020.
Okay, so general po, mga various items, parang ganon. Okay,
Those were the items listed po dun sa
Okay.
kanyang SALN.
okay, thank you. Thank you. That will be all, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Perhaps we can proceed to directing the COMSEC to call the Vice President. COMSEC, please.
May we know if the Vice President is present today? The responded Vice President is not present today, Madam Chair.
Let it be placed on the record that the committee secretary called the Vice President in order that we will be providing her the opportunity to present her evidence or to raise clarificatory questions through the justice members. That is for the record. Now we proceed to our next resource person. We are requesting the representatives from the Ombudsman to stay because we anticipate that there are matters which might be raised as well with the Ombudsman. Our next resource person is the Anti-Money Laundering Council. The floor is now open for clarificatory questions of the justice members.
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Sendanya is recognized.
Madam Chair, may I make a short manifestation?
Yes,
before
of course.
the start
You may
question
proceed.
hour? Thank you, Madam Chair. As the movement for the subpoena, both ad testificandum to the AMLAC, meron lang po akong isang maikling remarks. Higit isang dekada na pong naghihintay ang taong bayan na makita ang kabuang yaman ni VP Sara Duterte at ng kanyang pamilya. Kaya nga po noong nakaraang pulong tayo ay nag-move para maimbitahan ang AMLAC sa atin pong pulong ngayong araw na ito. Sa totoo lang, this should have never been kept a secret. A public servant's obligation sa konstitusyon at sa taong bayan ay maging bukas sa ating financial transactions and lifestyle. Kahapon po, personal ako na nag-deposit sa isa sa mga alleged bank accounts na nakapangalan kina VP Sara Duterte at ang kanyang ama na si former President Rodrigo Duterte. Taliwas po sa kanilang patuloy na pagtanggi, lumabas na active pa ang account. Nakapag-deposit po tayo ng 448 pesos doon sa isang account na ito. Ngayong impeachment, mas dumadami ang tanong na after we heard our resource persons, especially a resource person from the Ombudsman, very glaring po yung ilang taon na walang nakalagay na cash on hand at cash in bank ang Vice-Presidente. Kung walang sikreto si VP Sara, sana nag-sign na siya dati pa ng waiver. Kung wala siyang kinakatakutan, edi sana nilapag na niya ang totoong laman ng bank account niya. Kung totoong kumakain lang sa karinderya ang tatay niya at government salary lang ang natatanggap nila, iniisip ko nga po, paano na-i-encash yung cheque, yung sweldo niya, saan dumadaan? Kung wala siyang cash in bank at saka po wala siyang cash on hand. Pero that's for another conversation. Kung wala po silang tinatago, di sana wala silang kaba na haharap sa committee ito. Hindi tayo parang tumatawag ng spirit of the glass every time isa-summon ang Vice President to refute the evidence. Sa pagpresenta po ng report ng AMLC, ang tanong po ng taong bayan, sana masagot na ang maraming matagal ng mga pressing questions. And I hope that the AMLC will be able to shed light on these very important issues. Dito pong nakaraang mga sessions, may mga baon akong Mary Grace Piatos. Pero ngayon po ang baon natin, yung maraming tanong ng taong bayan, at sana po masagot ito ng AMLAC. Salamat, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Sendanya.
Madam Chair, Madam Chair, Madam Chair,
Honorable Chel Jokno.
as a movement as well of the subpoena that was issued to the AMLA, may I just make a brief manifestation?
You may proceed.
Thank you, Madam Chair. para magampanan po natin yung ating tungkulin na malaman kung meron probable cause o hindi dito sa impeachment case na ito. Mahalaga talaga na makita natin yung ebidensya. Kaya po natin hinimok ang Committee on Justice na maglabas ng subpoena dito sa Anti-Money Laundering Council. Ito po ay talagang magiging imposible ang gawain natin ngayon kung hindi natin makita mismo galing sa AMLA kung ano yung hawak nilang records. Kaya this is, to me, one of the most crucial stages in our proceedings at the Committee on Justice. The evidence will speak for itself. Wala naman sa atin na magsasalita, kundi mismo ang records ng AMLA. And through this procedure, the money trail will lead us to the truth. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you.
Madam Chair,
The Honorable Joboy Aquino is recognized.
I would like to direct my clarificatory questions to the representative of AMLA.
Attorney Buenaventura,
That Attorney Buenaventura.
the Executive Director of Anti-Money Laundering Council.
Okay. For the record, Attorney, the AMLA received a subpoena coming from this committee for the production of documents, records. Am I correct?
Yes, yes, Madam Chair. We receive a copy of the subpoena.
Okay. Did you bring the subpoenaed documents today?
Yes, we have it with us. Is it possible for us to tender it, to transmit it now?
The committee secretariat is directed to approach Executive Director Buenaventura to receive the subpoenaed documents from the Anti-Money Laundering Council. The same will form part of the records of this proceeding. Honorable Joboy Aquino.
Madam Chair, may we ask that all the members be provided a copy of the report from
The
AMLA?
COMSEC is directed to reproduce the documents and provide the same to the respondent vice president, the complainant, and all the justice members.
Madam Chair, the same
Honorable
request,
Adjong.
the same request is asked of the committee secretariat to provide the SALNs as we have already requested earlier, Mr. Chair. We still haven't gotten the
As far as the
copy of
SALNs is
SALNs.
concerned, I understand that we have directed the COMSEC already to provide the same to all the parties, including the justice members.
That is correct, Madam Chair. So we reiterate our request, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Thank